everyone, welcome to my channel Olive Estate, and today I'm here in Kalina, right on the main road, showcasing an apartment to you which is available on rent. This is almost fully furnished apartment. I'll tell you what all things come along with the apartment. It's a very good apartment, well maintained, and I'm sure you will be liking it. So let me now show you the living room. So this is your living area. Here the current owners are going to take the television, but the television unit remains. Then we have this particular showcase that remains. This is the living. So we've got the sofa that remains. The center table remains. The shoe rack remains here. This is your living room. We've got the AC also in place. Plus there are some plantation etc. done at the window. You could also continue doing something like that. Please come inside. I'll show you what is inside. So this is your dining table. Even this dining table remains. And this way is your kitchen. So we've got the cooktop, we've got the water purifier, the washing machine, all of this remains. Rest of the things will be taken by the owner. This unit remains, of course. And then we've got two separate washroom and commode, I mean to say the WC. This way you have the basin area. And here in the bedroom, mostly all the things are going to remain in the bedroom except for the television. Rest of the things, it's a very big size bedroom. You've got the wardrobe, you've got the bed, I think you've got some storage under the bed also. And then you have this enclosed balcony area. And then you have, of course, the beautiful plantation etc. which you can continue doing. There's a AC in the bedroom too, which will also remain. So overall, this is a 1 BHK, almost fully furnished. In case if you're interested in this apartment, you can get in touch with me on the number given at the end of the screen, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you very much for watching.